Spanish fast fashion brand Inditex, the parent company of Zara, has reported its weakest performance in India since the pandemic affected years because of the increasing competition that has come in one of the fastest growing global apparel market. Inditex Trend Retail, which is a joint venture with Tata Group Trend, which runs Zara stores in India, have seen a drop in their revenue to 1.2% to around 2749 crores. They have also seen dropping of their profits by 32%. But on the other side, Trent, which runs its own Westwide and Zudio stores, has seen an 18.2% increase in their revenue and also have expanded their store networks to 1286 outlets, including 6 in UAE. Trent is saying that they are seeing very strong potential in the sustainable growth. They are expanding their fashion chains, they are investing in AI, and also are planning to penetrate in Indian small cities. The chairman of Trent, Noel Data, said that no one brand can compete and gain a large share in such a diverse and evolving market. So they are building a portfolio of such Indian brands and which now Judio, Westwide and other brands have added. Retailers are going towards Judio because of the value approach they are seeing and the affordable fashion that it brings more growth and progress. Indians are looking forward for such brands because of the uncertain market conditions that have arrived. While Zara, which runs 22 stores, which is one of the most profitable brands that have emerged in India, has seen almost doubling the sales in every 2 years, is now recording a very low growth because of the Indian consumer changing to digital first brands or local retailers.